Hi, this is CAD/CAM Lessons channel. In this video, I will show you how to create such a solid in Fusion. We will use the sketch extrude along a path operation here. At the end, I will show you how to divide such a solid into two parts. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new content. And if you'd like to support my work and treat me to a virtual coffee, you can find all the details in the description below. Thank you for your support. Let's start by creating a sketch for extrusion. Select Create Sketch and create a sketch on the XY plane. Here we will draw two circles with their centers located at the origin of the coordinate system. The first circle has a diameter of 50 millimeters, and the second circle has a diameter of 70 millimeters. Okay, we close the sketch. Now we will create a path sketch along which we will extrude this sketch. To do this, we select Create Sketch and choose the XZ plane as the sketch plane. Here we select Line Drawing and draw a line that starts at this point here. For the dimension, we enter 100 millimeters. Okay, we click the left mouse button, and here, for the second dimension, we also enter 100 millimeters and press Enter to finish drawing the line. Now we select the Fillet command and add a fillet at this corner. Here, we specify the radius of this fillet to be 50 millimeters. We can enter this value in this field, or we can drag this arrow to get the fillet radius value of 50 millimeters here and press Enter. We close the sketch. Based on this sketch, we will add an extrusion along this path. It is the sweep operation. Select this operation from the Create menu. Here, we specify the profile that we will be extruding, and then we specify the path along which this sketch will be extruded. We click OK and we have created such a solid. Now we will create additional fragments of the solid. We will create a sketch on this face. We select this face and choose Create Sketch. Here we will draw two circles, the first circle with any diameter, ensuring that the centers of the circles are located at the origin of the coordinate system. The second circle has a diameter of 90 millimeters. And OK. I would like this circle to have the same diameter as this fragment of the solid, so I will choose the equality constraint. I select this circle, select the edge of the solid, and this circle is now constrained to this edge of the solid. We close the sketch. Based on this sketch, we add an extrusion. We select the profile, choose the extrude operation, and add an extrusion in this direction of 30 millimeters. We click OK. We will do the same from this side. We create a sketch on this face, select this face, choose Create Sketch, and here we also draw two circles. In the same way as before, we draw a circle with its center at this point with any diameter, and the second circle with a diameter of 90 millimeters. We choose the equality constraint, select this circle, select the edge of the solid, and close the sketch. Based on this sketch, we add an extrusion, so we select the sketch, choose the extrude operation, and add an extrusion here of -30 millimeters. We click OK, and in this way we have created such a solid. Now I would like to divide this solid into two parts. In this case, I will use the XZ plane for the division, but actually, when it comes to dividing a solid, we can do it arbitrarily. We just need to create some cutting geometry. In this case, I will use the XZ plane as the cutting geometry. I will turn on the visibility of the coordinate systems and planes so that they are visible in the workspace. Here we simply click on this eye icon to ensure it is checked so we can see these planes in the workspace. Now I proceed to split the solid. From the Modify menu, I choose the Split Body operation. We select the solid we want to split. OK. Here we will choose the cutting tool. I click the Select button and notice that it is difficult for me to select the XZ plane, but we can do this in the operation tree. I simply expand the coordinate system here and select the XZ plane from there. In the preview, we can see how it will look. We click OK and we have the solid split. I will turn off the visibility of the coordinate systems and go to the Bodies tab. This is how it looks. Of course, if you wanted to keep the original solid, you could copy such a solid before the split. If we didn't do that, we can do it now. We select these two solids, press Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and here click OK to copy these solids in the same place. We have additional copies of this solid here, and we can, for example, combine these two solids together. To combine the solids, we select these solids and choose the combine operation here. We click OK, and in this way we have a solid that is not cut. It is a single piece. And we have two halves of the solid. As you can see, we created and split this solid in half quite quickly and easily. We will finish here. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.